Hello guys, I'm Cheriyan. Today we can continue the application of differentiation. Okay, a ladder 10 feet long rests against a vertical wall. If the bottom of the ladder slides away from the wall at a rate of 1 feet per second, how fast is the top of the ladder sliding down the wall when the bottom of the ladder is 6 feet away from the wall? That is the question. Okay, this one is the wall. And this is the ground. Alright? This is the wall. And 10 feet long ladder. This is 10 feet long ladder. 10 feet. Okay, long ladder. Is rest against a vertical wall. If the bottom of the ladder slides away, the distance from here to here is variable. The ladder slides away from the wall, slides away like this. See, this is the ladder, it slides away. It slides away. See, slides away. It slides away. See, slides away. Slides away means from the distance is increasing from here. Okay, slides away from the wall. Slides away from the wall at a rate of 1 feet per second. See, suppose this distance is x and this distance is y. The speed of the ladder, speed of the bottom of the ladder from the wall is dx by dt. That is rate of change of distance is dx by dt is 1 feet per second. Distance by time. Distance by time is speed. The speed of the ladder at the bottom is 1 feet per second. Okay, 10 feet and 1 feet. 10 feet is the length of the ladder. 1 feet per second is the distance, rate of change of distance of the bottom of the ladder from the wall. That is 1 feet per second. How fast is the top of the ladder sliding down? When it moves away from the wall, it's sliding down. The top of the ladder sliding down. What rate the top of the ladder sliding down? That is the question. This distance is y. Then dy by dt. We are going to find out dy by dt. Okay. One more time. The length of the ladder is 10 feet. And what is 1 feet per second? The rate of change of the distance of the bottom of the ladder from the wall. Rate means speed. Speed of the ladder, speed of the bottom of the ladder from the wall. That is dx by dt. That is 1 feet per second. If this is x, dx by dt is 1 feet per second. Then find the speed of the ladder at the top of the wall, top of the ladder. Speed of the top of the ladder. What is that? That is dy by dt. We are going to find out. Okay. Is there any relation between x and y and 10 feet? Is there any? Do you remember any relation between 10x and y? This is a right angle triangle. So you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is that? Base square plus height square equals hypotenuse square, 10 square. That is the relation. So differentiating both sides. This is implicit function. Differentiating both sides with respect to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to t. Okay. What is the derivative of x square? 2x dx by dt. Times derivative of x is 1. You don't need to write that. Then derivative of y square. 2y. Sorry. Derivative of x square is 2x. Into derivative of x is dx by dt. Then derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dt. Equals, what is the derivative of 10 square? 0. Okay. Then, what is the derivative of 2y into 2y? 2y into 2y by dt. 2y into 2y by dt. Then, derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dt. Equals, what is the derivative of 10 square? 0. Okay. Then, what is the derivative of 10 square? 0. What is dx by dt? 1 feet, right? So we are going to find out dy by dt. You don't need this guy here. So minus 2x dx by dt on both sides, adding minus 2x dx by dt on both sides. What do you get? You get this one cancel out. 2y, I would write here, 2y dy by dt equals minus 2x dx by dt. Okay, then we are going to find out dy by dt. So you don't need this 2y there. Dividing by 2y on both sides. So 2 cancel. Minus 2x minus x dx by dt divided by y. Okay, what is dx by dt? 1. What is x? X is 6 feet. Find the speed of the speed of the top of the ladder when x is equal to 6. That is the question. When the bottom of the ladder is 6 feet away from the wall. When x is equal to 6, find the speed of the top of the ladder. Okay, that is the question. X is equal to 6. So minus 6 dx by dt 1 divided by, what is y? See, x is 6. Length of the ladder is 10. Then find y. Height. See, this is the formula. Height square plus base square, that is 6 square, equals 10 square. Okay, that is the formula. Pythagoras theorem. Minus 6 square, 36. Y square plus 36 equals 100. What is y square? Y square equals 100 minus 36 is 64. Y equals square root of 64 equals 8. Okay, so y is 8. So the answer is minus 3 by 4 feet per second. Why this minus? Because x is moving away, y is moving down. Because of that direction, the negative sign. Negative 3 by 4 feet per second. Okay, one more time. 10 feet is the length of the ladder, and the bottom of the ladder slides away from the wall at the rate of 1 feet per second away from the ladder. Slides away. Okay, that is dx by dt equals 1 feet. Then find the speed of the ladder at the bottom, at the top of the portion, right? What is the speed of the top of the ladder in the downward direction? The ladder moves, the bottom moves away from the wall. What happened to the top? It moves down. See, it is like it moves away and the top portion moves down. It moves, the bottom moves away, at the same time the top moves down. So we are going to find out dy by dt. If this is y, we want to find dy by dt. If this is x, dx by dt is already given. Okay, then this is the formula we have. x square plus y square is equal to 10 square. Where did you get that formula? It is the Pythagoras theorem. Derivative of x square is 2x, then chain rule dx by dt plus derivative of y square is 2y dy by dt equals 0. Then from here you need to find out dy by dt. dy by dt is equal to minus 3 by 4. We don't know the value of y. X we know, x is 6. dx by dt is also known, but we don't know what is y. How can you find out y? Again you need to apply the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Y square plus 6 square. What is 6? The given distance from the wall to the bottom of the ladder. That is 6 square equals the length of the ladder. That is y square plus 36 equal to 100. y square is equal to 64, y is equal to 8. So just apply that value here, you get minus 3 by 4 feet per second. Okay guys, the next problem. You can continue, you can do it as a homework. 10 feet per, I'm going to give this one as 5 feet per second, and this one is half feet per second, and this one is 3. You can do this problem as a homework, okay? Next. If V is the volume of the cube, if V is the volume of the cube, what is the meaning of cube? What is cube? Cube is a box of equal length, breadth and height. It's like this is cube. If V is the volume of a cube with edge length x and the cube expands as time passes, maybe it is the shape of a cube. It's a balloon, you know, the shape of a cube. Cube expands as the time passes. Find d1 by dt, find dv by dt in terms of dx by dt. Okay, this is the question. If V is the volume of the cube and the edge length is x and the cube expands as the time passes, find dv by dt in terms of dx by dt. This is easy. See, the length of the edge length is x. Length is x, width is also x, height is also x. That is the meaning of cube. Okay. So what is the volume? Volume of the cube is length into breadth into height. So that is x into x into x is x cube. So what we are going to find out here? Find dv by dt in terms of dx by dt. This is the answer. dv by dt equals, what is the derivative of x cube? 3x square. Finished? Yes, you need to multiply dx by dt also. Why? Because using chain rule. Okay, this is the answer. No, there is no value. Just express dv by dt in terms of x and dx by dt. Alright, next. If A is the area of the circle, area of the circle means what? Area, perimeter, both are important. Perimeter is the length of the circumference from here to here, the length, that is 2 pi r. Okay, what is the area means? Area means inside measurement. Okay, that is pi r square. You guys need to know that. Okay, two formulas. circle. Area of a circle with a radius r. With radius r. Radius is from here to here. That is radius. And the circle expands as the time passes. This is also the same thing. The area expands as the time passes. Okay? Find dA by dt in terms of dr by dt. That is the formula. Okay, what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. Pi r square. So find dA by dt. dA by dt equals pi constant. What is the derivative of r square? dr by dt. Okay? So this is the answer. Simple. Right? Alright. That's it. Okay guys, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. See you tomorrow.